Hi everyone and welcome to our YouTube channel. This video will be an affiliate program tutorial with AliExpress. Whether you're brand new to affiliate marketing or looking to expand to new platforms, this tutorial will give you a proven blueprint for success with AliExpress. I'll also be sharing plenty of tips to maximize your commissions over the long term, so I'd recommend staying tuned until the end of this video. To get started, and for those unfamiliar, affiliate marketing is where you earn a commission from sending sales to an online retailer like AliExpress. We will have to sign up through their affiliate program specifically to get a unique referral link, and whenever someone clicks on your link and completes a purchase, you earn a percentage of the sale as your commission. So let's navigate to the AliExpress affiliate program. You can find a link right here or by searching on Google AliExpress affiliate program. And as you will notice, signing up is pretty fast and easy. You will only need to provide some basic personal details. You will have to wait until you get approved. Typically it takes a couple of days and then you'll receive your unique AliExpress affiliate link and approval. This custom link will allow you to earn commissions from any of the AliExpress sales that you prefer, and their commissions vary based on the product category but average 2 to 8% per transaction. Certain bonus periods can increase the payout up to 15%. Now that we've got the basics down, let's dive into a step-by-step process for affiliate marketing success with AliExpress. The first step is choosing one or more product niches to focus on. Ideally, we need to select niches where you already have some interest and existing knowledge in. This makes creating content for that niche much easier. For example, if you're into fitness, you could promote workout equipment or gaming accessories if you're into gaming. Make sure to review AliExpress's extensive catalog and identify the popular products aligned with your niche. Sort the product listings by orders or reviews to surface the best sellers with existing demand. You will have to do your own research by digging into niche-specific keywords on Google Trends to find rising searches indicating interest. That's how you target newer trending products gaining traction, but also consider proven evergreen bestsellers. I would recommend creating a mix of both hot new items and an all-time top hits, and then sticking with the ones that work the best for you. Always avoid saturating any one niche. Have a handful of verticals to rotate between so that you can always have fresh products to promote. So for example, you can target long tail variations like best budget gaming chair for adults instead of just searching for gaming chair. You can also install Keyword Surfer Chrome extension to uncover more of the people also ask related keywords. Make sure to take advantage of these optimization tips for your affiliate content so that these high intent product keywords will drive more clicks and conversions for you. Next, we need to cover the creating content phase, which drives people to your affiliate links. The most effective formats are video content on YouTube and short form video for TikToks. Also, written blog posts usually drive conversions. You can purchase the product yourself and create an authentic review. This builds the most trust but has upfront costs, and highlighting key features, pros and cons, and usage examples will help you the most. You can always use existing AliExpress product images and videos. Ask the sellers if they have any additional assets or demo videos that they can share to incorporate into your review. Repurpose other reviewers' content. Mute their audio and add your own narration. You can provide commentary on why reviewers should purchase through your link. You can use short clips for this. There's absolutely nothing wrong with being upfront with your affiliation. It also helps build trust, and as you know, clicking on your link goes with zero cost to the viewers. So it's not like they have anything to lose, it's just for you to gain. Find relative Creative Commons or royalty-free video content. Scripting a unique voiceover explaining why this product meets your audience's needs. So whatever approach you take, focus on useful, engaging content and providing actual value. That positions your link as the next logical step. And with that said, you can start uploading to your YouTube channel natively for the algorithm. You can repurpose for Instagram Reels and TikTok, post snippets across your social media, outreach to relevant bloggers and influencers for collabs, and engaging in related communities and forums. Leverage your existing social media presence if you have one, or create one and start building it if you don't have one already. When you get your affiliate approval with AliExpress, you need to make sure to utilize all of the available analytics. Those include the click-through rate on your links, which shows engagement, the conversions tracked by source shows profitability, and also the earnings per day and month, which helps forecast your income. You will also get information on the top converting products to double down on and focus more on those specific kind of products. So you can review these metrics frequently and make data-driven decisions. And with that, you will have all the information that you need in order to get started and succeed with AliExpress affiliate marketing. I hope that this video has provided helpful information for you to get started. If it did, let us know by giving it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any of the future content that we will make similar to this one.